Hello, you're welcome. And let's see how we can solve for the value of x here. So now we are given 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x divided by 5 to the power of x, 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x equals 100. So what's the value of x? Alright, so what we're going to do now is that I'm going to do replacement. Let a be 10 to the power of x and b be 5 to the power of what? 5 to the power of x. Are you getting it? So it means that wherever we see 10 to the power of x, I'm going to replace it by 10 a, and 5 to the power of x, I will replace it by b. All right, so we're going to have a plus a plus a, all divided by b plus b plus b, then equals what? Equals 100. All right, so from there, the next thing we're going to do, so we can see that here a plus a plus a, that will give us what? That will give us 3a. So we're going to have 3a divided by, then we have b plus b plus b plus b. We're going to have 3b. So we're going to have 3b here, then equals what? Equals 100. All right, so from there, so you can see that the 3a can be written as 3 times a, and 3b can be written as 3 times b, which is equals to what? Which is equals to 100. So now from there, so we can see that 3 is common to the both sides of the fraction. So therefore, we have to cancel them out. So from there, so we have what? We have a over b to be equals to what? To be equals to 100. Are you getting it? So from there, so what's the next thing we're going to do here? So the next thing we're going to do here is to multiply both sides by a over b. But before that, so let's recall, because we have a over b, so let's recall recall that a is equals to what? What is a? A equals 10 to the power of x. A is 10 to the power of x, and b is what? Is 5 to the power of x, according to what we said above. Okay, so now from there, so you can see that putting or replacing these back to the equation here, so we're going to have a to be 10 to the power of x, then b to be 5 to the power of x, then equals what? Equals 100. Okay, so from here now, so when you look at what we have here, you can see that we have something. If we have a to the power of x, or let me say a to the power of c divided by b to the power of c, you can see that we can rewrite this as a over b all to the power of c, because they are having the same weight, the same power. So the same thing we are going to do here. So we have what? We have x here, have x here, the same power. So it means that we can rewrite this as 10 over 5, okay, all to the power of x, then equals what? Equals 100. Okay, so from there, so what is 10 divided by 5? 10 divided by 5 is 2. We're going to have 2 to the power of x equals what? Equals 100. All right, from there, we are looking for the value of x. So the next thing we're going to do is to introduce logarithm to the both sides of the equation. Okay, and this will be log what? Log 100. All right, so from there, so from the law, so you must remember that when you have log of a to the power of b, so this will be b log of a. So the same thing we're going to do there. So these x here, we have to what? We have to go to the back and multiply log what? Log 2, then equals log what? Log 100. Log what? Log 100. All right. So from there, so we're going to have divide both sides by log 2, divide by what? Log 2. So this, we cancel this. So from there, we're going to have x will be equals to log of 100. That will be 100, or 10 to the power of 2, divided by log what? Log 2. All right. So from there, or I should write it this way. Log 100 will give us log 50 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 2, divided by log 2. So we're going to have x will be equals log 50, all right, plus log what? Log 2, then divided by what? Divided by log 2. So also, we're going to have what? We're going to have x to be equals log 50 can also be 25 times 2, okay? So plus what? Plus log 2, all divided by what? Log 2. So now where I'm using this, let me be using dot 2. Okay, here also let me use dot here. You have this. Now, so from there, so we can still have this. We can still have x to be equals log what? Log 25, all right, plus log 2 plus log 2, all divided by what? All divided by log 2. Are you following? So now from there, so the next thing we're going to do is to have x equals log 25. So 25 can be written as 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 2. Understood? Then also this one plus log 2 divided by what? Divided by log 2. Then plus log 2 divided by what? Divided by log 2. So we're going to have x will now be equals to this power here. You have to come down, okay, and multiply log 5. You have 2 log 5 divided by log 2 plus, so here become 1. This one also will become 1. So 1 plus 1, we're going to have what? We're going to have 2. So we have 2 here. All right, so we're going to have x to be equals 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2. Do you understand? So that is the solution to the problem. So if you find the class very interesting, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.